Hi there, this video tries to explain some of the effects seen when filming at long distances. It will also answer some of those that got a bit worried about what my 30 mile 140 foot missing curvature video showed. First of all, the turbines at 2 minutes 35 in that video, some thought that this showed curvature. A straight line shows that the rotors are all parallel in a line, and obviously the bottoms cannot go over a curve while the tops stay parallel. This is actually an effect that you find on the horizon. Here are some examples of mirroring and atmospheric effects that take place around the apparent horizon or waterline. Now this video shows a boat at, I'm guessing, around about 10 to 15 miles away, and you can see there's quite significant mirroring. You'll also see these birds, the ones at a distance, they will disappear out of view as they go down and land. So there's a still photo of this. I've put the horizon line on in red, or the apparent horizon at least. Then the mirror line is in green, and also with this one there is what appears to be a closer mirror line for this other object, which is closer, so it's not hiding quite as much. Now with this, I don't think there's been any time that I've been out filming and not found this effect in some way, whether it be with boats, other objects on the waterline, land in the distance. And I'm going to show you some of the examples here, as a few people were suggesting that this isn't easily repeatable. I think that those people have probably not been out filming things at a distance like this. This is filmed with a Nikon P900, which I got about 1 month ago, and I don't think there's been an occasion where I've not got this effect. You can see that's quite significant. That mirroring line there, you are losing anything that is behind that, anything that's behind that area. You can see how far that's zoomed in there. This example shows the same effect with land. So again, I've marked the apparent horizon or waterline with a red line. You can see some of the mirroring over on the right hand side, but it's more apparent with the land on the left. Now this yellow area shows the area that is hidden from view, so anything behind that you're not going to see, whether it's land or whatever. I've marked off where some land could be, and in this case I know that it is, but because it's below or within that band, you aren't going to see it. Now this band isn't water, it's air. I don't know exactly how this works, but you can see it time and time again. Here you can see there's water which appears above the mirror line. So on the horizon you get some very strange effects. These turbines are actually very good targets because you can find out how far out they are. You can even find out the exact models and distances by going on to 4coffshore.com, I believe the website is, but you can Google search that. So here, bottom right, you can see the land is actually disappearing, then reappearing. You'll see it a little bit clearer in a moment. There you go, so it's there and then it disappears. So it's very hard to judge whether or not the land is there or not when you're looking at these long distances. I'm hoping that when the weather cools down, especially in the winter, on some nice crisp cool days, it will reduce this effect. It's probably got something to do with the humidity. Again, here we've got a red line showing the horizon of a waterline, green line shows where it's mirroring, and the yellow band shows the area where you're not going to see behind that. So it's quite significant. This one is quite a lot closer. This is probably only about 5 miles out, but you can still see that there is some effect there. See over on the right, bottom of the boat, and the white area on the bottom of the boat there. I left this bit in because I just wanted to show you the dude on the beach running in the mud, as you do. Wasn't really expecting him. But now as we zoom back in, you'll see all across that area there's mirroring. It's probably got lots to do with the angle of the sun, or the angle that it's being lit from, as well as any humidity and other weather conditions. And you get this whether it's low tide or high tide, obviously to varying degrees. And I don't think it's something that you could accurately measure. I'm sure someone will try at some point, but there are too many variables probably. This one's a good one. As you can see, the land is completely disappearing there. So anything within that band, all you're going to see is what is above it mirrored. So this is a bit wonky, but you can see again different conditions. You've got low tide there. Later in the evening, so it's a bit cooler. But you're going to get the same effects. I've got lots and lots of examples of these. I'll put a few at the end. But yeah. Thanks for watching, and I hope that's explained a few things. If you've got any questions or any constructive criticism, please do let me know, make a comment, and hopefully it will help me improve my observations in the future. Okay, so thanks for watching, and there'll be more very soon. I'll leave you with a few more examples.